guys, today we are doing the different video. This is my husband Mike. We are trying to save this coffee pot by cleaning it to take off all the hard water deposits, and I am filming it while Mike will clean this.
Today we're going to be cleaning this coffee pot. Vaughn is going to help me clean this coffee pot. This is an old coffee pot that they were throwing out where I work. I'm going to put it in my shop. So I'm going to try and reclaim it by cleaning out the lime and hard water deposits that are in the guts of the coffee pot. To do that, I'm going to use white vinegar. So I'll fill up the carafe with this vinegar. And then I'll put it in the coffee pot as if I was going to make coffee. I'm splashing it over the deposits and whatnot that the level of this vinegar will not get up to also kind of break that loose. Okay, I missed with a little bit, so it's running out there. Okay, now we're going to let that sit and soak for half an hour or so, and we'll be back and hit the button and see what comes out. Okay, so now this has been setting for 30-40 minutes, and now I'm going to turn this on, and we're going to let it drip through as if, normal drip cycle, like if we're making coffee, and we'll see what comes out of it. So we'll get it started, and then I'll shut it off. I won't make you sit here for the whole 15 minutes or whatever it takes to run that through, and then we'll come back and take a look at it.
Okay.
Alright, here's a bunch of hard water and lime, and the vinegar has softened it up. So I'm going to knock as much of it off as I can. I'm going to do this with a paper towel so it doesn't drop down into the water tank chamber. I'm still going to run water through there to flush it, but the less it has to flush, the better. But if you look down inside the tank, you can see that it did clean quite a bit of that out, and when I do a water rinse, it should flush the rest of that on out of there.
This is the final result, and look at that. It took off all the water residue and built up.
Yeah, the hard water and lime. Went over that with a toothbrush and got more of it off. I'll run a couple more carafes of clean water through it to flush it all out, and then I'll call it good, and that'll go in my shop. So
that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something of how to clean the coffee pot, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.